Welcome to my channel, Happy Learn No Lands. Today, we will learn on the topic, what do plants need? Let's begin. First of all, what is a plant? A plant has roots to take up water and nutrients from the soil and anchor it to the ground. Plants also have a stem to carry water and nutrients up the plant. Plants have leaves which use sunlight and carbon dioxide to carry out a process called photosynthesis. Some plants have flowers which are involved in reproduction and produce seeds from which new plants grow. Air. Plants require air to photosynthesize. Photosynthesis uses carbon dioxide in the air, along with water to produce glucose and oxygen. Water. Plants have roots which absorb water from the soil. Water is needed in plants to regulate their temperature. Water is also required to help absorb nutrients from the soil, as the nutrients are in a watery solution in the soil. Water is also needed for photosynthesis. Light. Plants need light to photosynthesize. This is a process where plants use sunlight, carbon dioxide and water to produce glucose and oxygen. This is how plants make energy. Nutrients. Plants require nutrients to function and support processes vital for life. Nutrients consist of chemical elements or compounds. Nutrients can be found in the soil and are absorbed by roots. The right temperature. Plants require a certain temperature range. The temperature impacts the process of photosynthesis. The temperature can also alter plant growth, processes in plants, absorption of nutrients and the ability to produce fruit. Mangroves. Mangroves are shrubs with special adaptations to remove salt from water and take in additional oxygen. They grow best in an equal mix of saltwater and freshwater. Cacti. Cacti are adapted to survive in hostile conditions where there is often very little water. Cacti store water in their stems and enlarged roots. They have specialized water storage cells to support this. Sunflowers. Sunflowers follow the movement of the sun. This behavior is to increase photosynthesis and take full advantage of the natural light required for this process to take place. In conclusion, plants need sunlight, water, air, specifically carbon dioxide, nutrients from the soil, and space to grow to survive and thrive. Thank you for watching Happy Learn No Lands. Please like, comment, share and subscribe our YouTube channel.